Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they want to use object to path around this circle, but it won't really work with a straight, hard, flat line of this length. And you'll see why in just a second. If we go to object, fit objects to path, and then we're going to hold down the shift key and select our path, and we're going to only do 5. But look what happens. I mean, that could be pretty cool if you just did maybe 4, but I don't think that's what he's after. Well, he's actually doing 5 because this is a duplicate, so you need to add 1. So that is cool within itself, but I don't think that's what he wants to do. So to do it, and this is a curve, it's actually and for the one I'm doing it for, I grouped the letters together. There was one letter that wasn't part of the group. To do something like this, be better to, and I got the font almost dead on. Mine's a little bit thicker. But this is a font, it's Bird of Paradise. And what you can do, let's close down that Docker and let's open up the Properties Docker, which is under Windows, Docker's Properties. And click right here, and this line is 28.27. So I made my line 28 inches. And you can't really cut and paste, you have to type. So I typed it out, double space, typed it out, double space, typed it out, double space. So now we can go to text, fit text to path, and put it on our path. And it works. If that's what he was wanting to do. So text to path, especially on text, and it doesn't matter what, what the object is. If it's a hard straight line, if we took just a rectangle and open back up the object, let me zoom in here a little bit, go up to objects and fit objects to path, hold down the shift key and select our path, it's just not going to work. Well, in that case, it kind of looks cool. And just backing up, if we put it up here and do it, it puts them on the inside. It actually puts them to the top of the line. And then if you put it on the bottom of the line, it'll be on the outside. So that is cool, but it's not going to round off the corners. It just can't do that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.